Welcome back. So as you saw, we are able to add the to-do into the list, and let's get further with what we need to do. So first of all, let me grab the UI from my previously completed application. So here is the UI which I need for individual to-dos. This place I will just do a return. Perfect. So I need to remove few things like completed application. This stuff on click, I don't really have it. Created at, I think we have the rest of them, but I think we don't even have a delete one. So that's pretty much it. No, there's something missing else. Okay, so created at, we don't have it at all. Blah blah blah. Okay, content, we don't have it. Demo, delete. I think it should, it's not, still not working. So there's something else that's missing. Okay, style completed. Okay, we don't have a completed one. So let's keep it false. Okay, it is there. Alright, anyway, I can just remove the style, this one for now. So as you can see, I have this nice looking UI, and it's just demo, so I can change it to created or like list something. So let's go ahead and try adding okay, so before, what we need to do is we need to structure it a bit. And how are we going to structure it? We don't simply need to add the name to it or the content to it. We need to add content as well as created at time. At this moment, we should be adding those two things into it. So this will be an array of objects. Array, there will be objects to it. Like this array will have a bunch of objects. And in the objects, what do we want is content should be the first thing. Next thing should be created at. And then there could be like a bunch of stuff, like the one which we need is like completed, so it should be false like in the beginning, and it should go on. So let's structure that first. So first of all, I will do this thing. I will, while I'm doing an unshift, I'll change it to content. Created at will be new date, and excuse me, and I think it will be something like a local string. That's what I've used, I guess. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, it's local string. So let's do that. New date and local string. Perfect. And what else do we want? Completed. Yes, let me even add that. Is completed to false. Okay. So I think we have everything that we need at the moment. Created at new date. Okay. Okay, so I might have to add a created at equals to new date to local string, and that's pretty much it, I guess. Is completed. Okay, is completed is false. I don't see anything wrong there, but let's see what there is. Expected a comma. Okay, let me try to do 3. And it's still throwing error. So unshift to local string, new list unshift content, current input, that's correct. Created at, that's right because it already has a created at. Is complete is complete. Okay, it's still throwing error, so maybe there's something else that is wrong. So let me see what I did wrong. Okay, so oh, okay, I guess I'm not wrapping it in the object. Okay, I got the issue. I need to wrap it. It's not an array, it's an object, so my bad. Okay, is completed and false. Okay, that's perfect. And now at this point, this list I can use it in a different way. So single to do, and I can use it as an object. So single to do dot content, and this will show us what it is. This will be single to do dot, or I can even destructure it. Content, then what else do we have? Created at, okay, perfect. Content created at this moment, that's pretty much it. Created at, okay. Task 2, okay, you see the times are different. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, great. So we have added the UI and also we have converted it to an object. In the next video, let's work on the delete functionality. All right, so see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.